Hello everyone, my name is Ran Chang and I am at the team Learn NLP and I am dealing with the challenge 4, the binding topic model. So let me introduce myself. I am a third year PhD student and currently doing terahertz imaging applications at Imperial College London. And the summary of these challenges is to create topic model to set the context for writing proposals and help decide project buys. For these challenges, I come up with the 6 solutions. The SmartBid. It aims at improving the workflow of binding team and solving 99% of pain points of binding team, and it mainly contains 2 functions, the automatic analyzers and automatic scorer. With SmartBids, we simply just need to upload the buy proposals and then download the analytic reports with visualizations of the buy proposals. The analytic reports mainly contain 3 data visualizations techniques: the word clouds, the scoring, and the highlights. The word cloud will let us to see the keywords of regulatory or any reference documents at different levels through context, every chapter, every pages, and every bullet points. And also, the section contains a customized assessment section to score the buy proposals at different levels as well. Combined with the workout and the scoring, we also add highlights of data visualization techniques so that we can see the goods and bads in the uploaded documents. With SmartBid, we can evaluate historical proposals. We can also use the data visualization techniques with the reports to record the template for reproductions of any new documents. And also we can use this system to analyze any documents as we like. And also we can use that to examine our Java proposal before submissions. For the prototype SmartBid of word cloud generations, we mainly have 4 steps to generate the word cloud. The first step is PDF to text. We use PDF miner to transfer PDF to text and proposing the text with customized functions to read of special characters and stop words in the context. And then we use filtering function with Python package of NLTK and regex to extract or filter specific words in the documents. Then we use a word cloud library in Python and combine with any customized mouse image to see the word cloud. And for the scoring system behind the SmartBid, it mainly contains 2 types of technology, the rule-based and the data-driven based system. The rule-based system is to calculate the matchings between the input proposals and the example context divided by the cadence. And the data-driven approach mainly using deep learning technologies and any machine learning technologies to see the similarity between input proposals and historical good or bad proposals. We can also use data-driven technologies to analyze the sentiment of the context. For building the rule-based scoring systems, at the setting stage, the users define the keywords or text structures or matching rules by inputting example context, and then the platform will generate the dictionary of example context. At inference stage, we upload the proposals. The SmartBid will calculate the scores based on dictionary of example context. So the dictionary of example context is quite important, right? So how to build that? Use topic modeling. At the setting stage, we upload the example context and then transfer the context into back of word, which is a feature representing the text, and then we use the features to train an LDA topic model. Then we use this model to mapping the example context into a library, and so that we have a dictionary of keywords subject to different topics. At the inference stage, we then input the text context and transfer this context into back of words features as well, and then use these features and the model. We can have the topic predictions of the context. We also has its corresponding confidence scores and also have extracted keywords as well. So this is the visualizations of building LDA model. The left figure showing the workout of keywords subject to different topics, and the right figures shows the output of from the text context. And how to build a data-driven system? Well, we can use data classification techniques to compare the similarity between one document and other ones. We may use a Siamese twins neural network or any technology. Considering the judged questions, for question 1, how would you extend to Word, Excel, and PPT documents? Well, if programming language is Python, I would use docs2text, pandas, and Python pptext library to dealing with these documents. For scaling the code, it is better to define a good data structure to store the extracted text from these documents. For real productions, I would also like to build a dictionary structure to store the extracted context and also recall their corresponding positions at the context as well. So how would you turn this into a pipeline for adding new documents to the library? I think use object-oriented programming and well-designed data structures will be much easier to scale the product for when adding new documents or extend it to further applications. To the final questions, how would you caution the project director if she believed you could replace regulatory and project expert completely with the software AI? I think the best way to persuade the project director is to build a good evaluation matrix and use A/B testing to demonstrate well that the AI model is much way better.